Hello everybody, Davido here. First of all, I'd like to say a big thank you. This wasn't anything that I planned. I was literally I'm in Dubai, by the way. I was literally on my balcony in the hotel, and as a joke, I had posted my account number saying my friends. It was actually a thing. We actually just wanted to do close friends, like behind the public, like not making it public. But I just ended up posting it online, and the love that people have shown me is just really unbelievable. I used to question myself, like, is being a good person even worth it? You know what I'm saying? Because I remember many times people say, David, you're too nice. David, you're too free. You're too accessible. You're too this, you're too that. And it got to a point where I'm even thinking to myself that, is this thing affecting me or something like that? But these past few days have shown me that no be by mouth. I appreciate it. A lot of people have called me, you know, saying, it's your money, keep it. Don't listen to what people are saying, you know, blase, blase. Not to be cocky, but apart from the fact that I don't really, you know, the money it's a lot. You know what I'm saying? I won't say I don't need it, but I think there are more people that need it more than me. It's crazy. Like, people were selling 5,000. It wasn't even about the million nairas that, you know, I was posting. People were selling 5,000, 2,000, 3,000, 500 naira, 100 naira. This might be their last bar. This might be like the last money they have. But I'm sure just the love for me and what I stand for and what I've done. I think it showed. Right now we're at 201 million. So I've decided to donate all the money out in Nigeria. And apart from the 200 million, I'm going to add 50 million of my own money. So that is 251 million that I'm going to be disbursing. So that's 50 million from me, for thank you for me. And then 250 million that you guys donated. So 200 million, sorry, that you guys donated. Again, I really appreciate. So we're going to have a disbursement committee of 5 people, which I do know very well, and I've done very well for the community. And these 5 people, it's called the disbursement committee, and they will be the people that would receive the money and share it around motherless babies' homes and also foundations around the whole country. I really want every part of the country to feel this. The disbursement committee, first we have the chairman of the committee, Mrs. Titi Adebayo, amazing woman. She's done so much for the community. So I really won't think of anybody else to head this. Professor Jonathan Nwosu, he's going to be the secretary of the committee. Professor Johanna Asabi. Also Pastor Dr. Ayalabu. And also Professor Uloma Onuoha. So these 5 people are going to, you know, be involved in receiving the funds, you know, for the committee. And then the money is going to be shared to motherless babies' homes around Nigeria, and to foundations also around Nigeria. We have a foundation already called Parochi Foundation that has been going on for years now. One of my close friends passed away years back. So his mom started a foundation, you know, really for the youth, to encourage them, get them off the streets, get them off drugs, and, you know, so on and so forth. So I've mentioned people in the committee already. And it's just amazing to see, really. It's just really amazing to see that, you know, I did this in just a couple of days. Like I said before, this was something I started as a joke, and you know, 201 million. That's really amazing to see. Also, you know, tomorrow is my birthday, so I think I'll be too busy tomorrow to even be able to do anything. So I actually, you know, decided to drop this video today and get that out of the way. And it's amazing, man. My colleagues, my friends out there, and other musicians, not only in Nigeria, around the world, you know, Ghana, South Africa, you can do this for your people too as well. I feel like if we come together, everybody does this, the country will definitely be a better place. Yeah, you know what I'm saying? I'm even thinking about doing something in December, like a fundraising event, to raise money and even put out more money out. You know what I'm saying? I'm sure if I can do 201 million, if we all come together, I'm sure we can do 1 billion. And it will go a long, long way. You know, it makes sense. It won't take nothing from us. You know, put all our ego aside and put all the whatever industry, wahala we have, and see how we can help our people. Very important. Also, all my colleagues, all my friends out there, all my fellow musicians, imagine if we all come together and do this. It would be amazing. So I'm not sure when, but I would like this to be a yearly thing for my birthday, where we come together and donate money for the cause of good. Yeah, this December I'm planning, I want to plan also a fundraiser. If I can, I'll find one date in December that I'm free, and then we can all come together and then raise money. Cause it's amazing how I just raised 200 million naira off just in 2-3 days. Imagine if we all come together and do this. But yeah, I thank you guys for all the birthday wishes. I wanted to actually drop this video on my birthday, but I know a lot will be going on that day, so I decided to do this a day before. I thank you guys. I love you guys. New music out now. I ain't dropped a song in a year. Champion sound going crazy. The album is coming, and we're going back on tour, and I love everybody. Thank you. Ababio say so. Checking out.